So in this video, we are going to talk about decimal notation. So if you take a look at our first problem, you got to remember that this is scientific notation. So what you see here would be considered scientific notation. To make it decimal notation, we want to move that decimal place 7 places to the right. When that is positive, we go to the right. If it's negative, we go to the left. So I think of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 21 million would be our answer. Now, we can do this using the calculations of the just normal information. So 9.6 times 3, that is 28.8. And then 10 to the 9th times 10 to the negative 5th. You are going to keep the 10 and subtract the exponents. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now, there's a few different ways you can approach this next thing. This is not technically incorrect decimal notation because we don't see all of the digits. It's not incorrect scientific notation either because we need it to be 2.88. So we've moved that over 1. So technically that's 2.88 times 10 to the 5th. So that would be the answer you'd want for scientific notation. For decimal notation, just take and move that 5 places over. Yeah. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be the answer that they are looking for there, 288,000. Now here you can do the 18 divided by the 3. You can do the 10 to the 7th divided by the 10 to the 2nd. That would be 6. Now here we're going to keep the 10 and subtract the exponents. So that would be 10 to the 5th. Now that's not decimal notation. That's the correct scientific notation. Decimal notation, we need to, because that's positive 5, move the decimal over 5 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you don't see a decimal, the decimal is at the end, move it to the right. So there's that. Let's take a look at this problem. So if we were working time and a half for anything over 40, there's a few different ways to do this problem. So I'm just going to show you kind of what I think of. We had 40 hours of regular time at $18 per hour. Now we had 6 hours at time and a half. Now you can do 18 times 1.5 to find what your time and a half rate is. It's the time 18 plus a half of that. Half of 18 is 9. 18 plus 9 is 27. But you can just do 18 times 1.5, get 27. So that would be times 27. 40 times 18 is 720. 6 times 27 is 162. Just total that up because your first 40 hours you made 720. Your second your next 6 hours you made 27 per hour. You made $162 for a total of $882. Okay, so you can do it a mixture of ways, but there's a little about that one. I hope that helps you understand that. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.